Sa panibagong paglingap ng Iglesia ni Cristo sa kontinente po ng Africa, muling nagpaabot ng tulong sa libu-libong komunidad na humaharap pa rin sa matinding kahirapan. Sinimulan ito sa bansang Uganda at kilalanin ang mga natulungan sa report na ito.
We are privileged to inaugurate and officially hand over these 2 footbridges to this community. We are honored to inaugurate and formally hand over this borehole water pump to this village. You will enjoy and benefit from the activities, including our medical mission, footwear distribution, care package distribution, and many more. Welcome to our Care for Humanity event of the Iglesia ni Cristo Church of Christ.
He cares for humanity.
Care for Humanity, together with the Church of Christ, constructed a new bridge and installed a borehole water pump to improve safety and access to clean water.
Nakatawag ng pansin hindi lamang sa mga komunidad sa Uganda kundi maging sa mga pangunahing media outlets ang magkakasunod ng pagtulong na ginawa ng Iglesia ni Cristo sa bansang ito.
The project is good and it's going to help the community. The citizens are going to benefit from it.
We have always done stories where we see the vulnerable people being in need of such services. So we want to say thank you for Care for Humanity. We have seen the impact.
Sa Kampala na siyang capital ng Uganda ay libu-libong mamamayan na ang makikinabang sa pinasinayaang 2 footbridge.
Church of Christ has done us very well with Tabika Village for bringing us the 2 bridges. It has been a very great work done.
It's necessary to have a bridge because it makes work easier. Walking becomes easier for the disabled and those the children and people at large, including myself. I find it accessible.
Nagkaloob din ang Iglesia ni Cristo ng karagdagang borehole water pump. Matatandaan na noong nakaraang taon ay naunang natulungan ang isang komunidad ng mga persons with disabilities.
The residents are too much happy, even more than, because they used to go so long distances, but now within 2 minutes, 3, he goes back or she goes back home.
Ninafurahia kwa village hii tumesha kujenga. Nfunye omukisa gw'amaani okufuna ebintu bino bibeere byanema okugula aye omukisa gw'amaani guba tuleetere wano twafuna amakerenda ku bwereere.
Kuba wojja mu idwaliro bakusaba akaseeta ate nga mba nkazira aye wano bampaire ku free bwereere. Katonda mulungi era neyanziza ino.
Namahagi rin ng panyapak sa mga taga-roon na ang pangunahing nakinabang ay ang mga kabataan. At para naman matugunan ang kanilang makakain ay namahagi ng care packages.
I'm very grateful and thankful for this activity which has taken place from the Church of Christ. So we are very happy for the chance we have received the care packages. We sent our greetings and thanks to all the brethren throughout the world who has done this help for us. May the Almighty God give them the great blessing.
Ang magkakasunod na mga aktibidad ng Iglesia ni Cristo sa Uganda ay bahagi ng isang serye ng proyekto ng lingap sa mamamayan sa kontinente ng Africa. Laila Tumanan para sa Mata ng Agila, matatag, matapang, matapat.